Hey guys, how are you? Guys, I am Saurav and today we are going to perform an activity based on histogram. First of all, what is histogram? So guys, basically histogram, it is a graphical representation of frequency distribution in the form of rectangles. This is the definition of histogram. Why do we use histogram? Because suppose if I give you the data in this form, it is a bit boring, also time consuming to analyze. And in place of this, if I give you the data in this form, it is interesting and easy to understand. Therefore, we prefer histogram in place of data in a regular format. Okay, guys? Okay. So, we are going to perform the activity. The aim of the activity is to draw histogram for classes of equal width and unequal width. So this activity has two parts. First part is to draw histogram for classes of equal width. In first part, we will take the data where the class intervals have fixed gap or regular gap. For example, suppose the gap here is 30 to 25, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. So the regular gap is of 5, right? And there is this frequency. Okay. Suppose if we consider this as weight, WEIGHT, as weight of the students. Okay, the students, suppose they have certain n number of students in class 9th. Okay, so they have the following weights. So there are 9 students whose weight lie in this category. Okay, suppose there are 9 students whose weight lie in this category from 30 to 35. Suppose there are 6 students whose weight lie in this group. So we are going to make a histogram for these values. What we will do is first, these are classes, there is a frequency. Frequency is number of students for this case. Number of students. Okay. Now class width is the width of the class. That is upper limit minus lower limit. If I subtract 30 from 35, I will get 5. Okay. So this is our class width. So here the interval is regular. So therefore all the 6 columns have same class width. That is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay. Okay. Now we have this formula that says modified frequency is equal to frequency of class upon width of the class. Upon width of the class. Width of the class is this thing only, right? The gap. Frequency is this frequency, okay? And selected class size. This we can see as selected class size or smallest class size, right? But in this case, when the interval is regular, so there is these two things are almost same. These two things are same. Smallest class size and width of each class is same. Therefore, when the interval is regular, then the question is a bit small and easy to do. And we need not apply this formula. We can do the question without applying this formula also. Okay. So what I have done here is I have drawn the graph. This shows us the weight of the students, and the y-axis shows us number of students. So there are 9 students whose weight lies between 30 to 25. Okay, so I have made the graph till 9. There are 6 students whose weight lies from 35 to 40. There are 15 students whose weight lies from 40 to 45, and there are 3 students whose weight lies from 45 to 50. And there are 4 students whose weight lies from 50 to 55, and there are only 2 students whose weight lies from 55 to 60. So the first part of the activity is completed. Okay guys, now we will move to the second part of our activity. The second part says to draw histogram for classes with unequal width. In the first part, we were dealing with the histogram of equal width. Now we will be dealing with the histogram of unequal widths. Okay, so here the class interval is in this way 0 to 20 and 20 to 30. So as you can see that here the gap is of 20. Here the gap is of 20, so the class width will be 20. 20 minus 0 is 20. And here the gap is of 10 because 30 minus 20 is 10. So the gap of interval here is 10. And from and in another interval 30 to 40 gap is 10, 40 to 50 gap is 10, 50 to 60 gap is 10, 60 to 70 gap is 10, and in the last part that is 70 to 100 the gap is of 30. So what we can see is every class or every column has unequal width, right? So in this case we have to apply this formula because this case has unequal widths. The formula says modified frequency is equal to frequency of the class upon width of the class. Width of the class is this, right? And frequency is this into selected class size. Selected class size or smallest class size. Smallest class size among these all value is 10, right? So the formula says 7 upon 20 into 10. That will make it as 3.5 because if you get 0 and 0 from here, you will get 3.5. Here frequency is also 10 and the frequency is also 10 and the width is also 10. So 10 upon 10 into 10 because 10 is the smallest value. So we get 10. Here also width and frequency both are 10 10 and smallest selected and smallest class size is also 10. Therefore 10 upon 10 into 10. Here the frequency is 20 upon 10 into 10 because here the class width is 10. 20 upon 10 into 10. Here also frequency is 20 and class width is 10. 20 upon 10 into 10, that is smallest class size. Here 15 upon 10 into 10, that is 15. Here 8 upon 30 into 10, that is 2.67. So we will get these all values. Now what we will do is we will make the histogram based on this data. What we have done is I have made the histogram. Okay, whatever value we have got here, this will signify the height of each rectangle. All these values will signify the height of each rectangle. So our first rectangle, the width is 0 to 20. The width of first rectangle is 0 to 20 and height is 3.5. So draw it here. For a second rectangle, for a second and third rectangle, the width is 10 10, right? 20 to 30, 30 to 40. And the frequency is 10 10, right? And here also the height is 10 10. So we have drawn it here 10 10. For our fourth and fifth rectangle, the gap is 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. The gap is of 10 10. Okay, and the height is 20 to 20. Height is 20 20. So I have drawn it here 20 20. Okay, and now for our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. For our sixth rectangle, the width is of 10, width is of 10, 60 to 70, and height is 15. Height is 15. So I have drawn the rectangle of width 10 and height 15. And for our last rectangle, the width is 70 to 100, that is of 3 columns, right? And the height is 2.67. So I have drawn the height in this way, right? In this way, we have learned to draw two histograms, one of equal width and another of unequal widths. Okay, guys, thank you.